How to edit Word documents on iPhone. If you have ever needed to edit a Word document on your iPhone, I have got a quick and easy solution for you. No subscription needed. You can download Microsoft Word from App Store, but Microsoft Word requires a paid subscription to edit documents. So if you already have a subscription, go ahead and use that. But if you are looking for a free solution, there's a better way. Here's the trick: Google Docs. It's completely free, super reliable, and works just like Word. Just head over to App Store, search for Google Docs, and download it. Once you have Google Docs installed, go back to your Files app and open the Word document you want to edit. You'll notice you can only preview it here, but that's okay. There is a quick workaround. Tap the share icon at the bottom, then select Google Docs. It will prompt you to save the document to Google Drive, making it accessible on all the devices as long as you are signed in. Once it opens in Google Docs, tap the edit button in the corner. Now you can make all the changes you want: bold text, underline, change colors. When you are done, it saves automatically in Google Drive. Plus, you can send the edited document through email, text, or any other method right from your phone. And that's it, a free, easy way to edit Word documents on an iPhone without a subscription. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.